Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my channel. You are watching CSS by SS, and today's topic is Universal Serial Bus. Usually we called it USB. We are mostly using this USB, and sometimes we are unfamiliar that we are using different types of USBs, right? So आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं USB की टाइप्स क्या हैं, ये होती क्या है, how is going to be more powerful to transfer our data from one place to another. So keep watching, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and give me thumbs up. Okay, so USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It's a asynchronous and serial method of transmitting data between devices and has become an industry standard. And many devices use USBs such as keyboard, mic, video cameras, printer, portable media players, mobile phone, disk drives, network adapters, etc. There are multiple USBs connected exist for different devices: USB-A, USB-C, and USB-C. USB-A is mostly used in flash drives, mic, keyboards, external HDDs, etc. And USB-B is mostly used in printers, scanners, optical drives, floppy drives, etc. And USB-EC is becoming the new standard of USB due to its small sized and speed. See, we have these three types of USBs. This is USB-A. Usually we can see in printer mic. This is USB-B. We can see it in printer and other devices. And this is USB-C. A lot of devices we are in, you are using this C type chargers for charging our mobile phones. So this is type C and this is type B. Type B is mostly found in printer, scanner, MIDI and others, but type C is found in Mac, laptops, tablets and other mobile phones as well. Inside of USBs, there are four wires: green, white, blue, black and red. Green and white is used for data transmitting, and black is used for ground, and red is used for power, usually 5-volt power. What happens when USB connect to the system? It will automatically detect that the device has been connected, automatically recognized, and the appropriate device driver is loaded so that the device can communicate with the computer. And if the device is new, the computer will look for a matching device driver. If one cannot be found, then the user must be download and install on appropriate driver manually. But usually it's automatically installed in our system and we don't need to download any type of a driver for our USB. If you have any question, Do let me know in the comment section box, and if you like this video, please do give me a subscribe my channel, and give me a likes and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.